Hello and welcome to How to channel. Today we'll be talking about how to create an Apple ID with your PC. Let's dive in. Open for browser. Once you open your browser, it's appleid.apple.com. So it brings you to this page. Next is create your Apple ID. So you put your first name, then your last name, then your email address. You can use your Gmail address or any of your email address. Then your password. Confirm your password. Your password should have a minimum of 8 characters. Then your phone number. Then you type these characters shown by your left and continue. Now a verification code has been sent to your Gmail. Now you have to get that verification code and confirm here. Continue. A verification code has been sent to my phone number. So I will get the verification code from my number and input here. Now I've just added the verification code and continue. Next is to complete the setting of your Apple ID. To payment method, add payment method. Now we'll fill in this, confirm the payment method. Choose your credit or debit card, see your card number, your year, your security code, and everything needed in your card. Just scroll down, you will fill all these, your street address, city, postal code, city and phone number. I will just do that. You have an option to copy your billing address. That when filling the shipping address, you just click the copy billing address and it will fill it up. I scroll down, then I update. Your changes have now been saved. You can now use it. Once you've entered your payment method, your Apple ID has been successfully created and your payment method confirmed. You can now log into any of your device using your new Apple ID. With this, I have successfully created my Apple ID using my PC.